I'm Mark Tangri. I'm the president of Lake Graphics Label and Sign Company. We do significant projects that are recurring. Silicone edge graphics is one of them, both backlit and then also frontlit as well. We do a lot of banner stands that people are using for step and repeat backdrops. So we purchased the T300 and that has been a really reliable, great machine. I mean, I don't think we've ever had to do any service on it. And I want to say we've probably owned that machine for at least 7-8 years now. So it's been a great, reliable machine. Once Miller came out with their sewing machine that was good for silicone edge graphics, it increased almost 100%. Fabric has really taken off for us, which has been great. We can do a lot of different things on it too. I mean, silicone edge graphics is one thing, but we sew webbing for mesh banners on that machine. We also sew a lot of pole banners too. Because it's a single needle machine, we can use it for other things, so zippers and things like that too. It works out well for that. Once they came out with a machine that was good for silicone edge graphics, we immediately purchased it because Miller Weldmaster is a local company. We like the people there. Everyone that I've met, they're willing to help and they want to help. The companies that we do business with are all pretty much privately held. Some of them have private equity, but for the most part, they're operating with the same staff and personnel. And so when we develop a relationship with someone like Robin, for instance, she knows she can rely on us. We know we can rely on her. On the install, Mason came in and worked with us. He even took my phone call when I think he was in Dubai, which not a lot of people would do that. Not only has Miller been a great supplier to us, but they've also been a good customer as well. They've trusted us with their trade show needs. We actually produced the finished product was exactly what Miller was looking for, and we just find that the product itself is a more quality product than just putting out quantity. Our customers, once they experience doing business with us, they tend to keep coming back, kind of build our customer base one at a time, and we value Miller as a customer as well. I feel privately held business people understand the needs of other privately held business people, and they don't minimize the significance of the investment you make and the support that you need to take care of it. And Miller's done all those things for us. And it's a long-term relationship, which we really value that.